To review a case, click Review on the patient card. Remember, you can hover your mouse over a patient card to get a preview of its content. View supports multiple case view. You can open up to 4 cases at one time. Click on the Name tab to switch between cases and patient library, or use the hotkey combination of add plus, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4. View adopts a flexible layout. You can easily reveal or hide any zone to your likings. To review or hide report zone, click the icon on top left corner or use the hotkey T. To review or hide the atlas zone, click the icon on the top right corner or use the hotkey G. You can simultaneously display 3 zones if your screen resolution is 1920 by 1080 or higher. Time code is at the bottom left of the image zone. Play control and functional tools are now integrated in one single bar. Click the triangle button to play forward or backwards. Click once again to pause or press space key. To forward or backward a single frame, use the buttons adjacent to the play button, or use the left or right key on your keyboard. Use these 2 buttons to get to the start and end point of the case. While you're playing and your mouse is in the area of play control, you can use the scroll to adjust the play speed, or use the up and down button on your keyboard. Another way to adjust play speed is to drag the speed control bar to the left or right. Scroll up or down during play while your mouse is in the image zone will pause and forward or backward a frame. Whenever you stop during play, there will be a green mark on the progress bar indicating that location. Click and you can jump back to the point where you left off, or use the hotkey R to jump back and continue playing. You can switch between different play modes: normal, quick view, and SGIB mode. A case with suspected bleeding will be presented as red dots on the progress bar. When you're playing in SGIB mode, only images with red dot markings will be played. Click here to change the number of images to display. You can also add different image enhancements, such as ice and hemoglobin enhancement. Double-click on an image to save it to your findings. That image will be automatically included in the report. You can also save an image by right-click on it and select Capture Finding. Making comment or graphic notation on an image will also save it. To comment or make graphic notation on an image, Click on the image on display or one of the thumbnails in the finding zone. You can enter description of your findings or make graphic notation. To clear graphic notations, right-click on the image and select Restore. This action will not delete the text. You can use Embedded Dictionary to code most commonly used terms and phrases. Or you can select a word or even a paragraph, right-click and add it to your own custom phrase dictionary. To manage your custom phrase dictionary, open Preference panel and select Custom Phrases, where you can add or delete phrases. To delete a finding, right-click on the image in the finding zone and select Delete Image. You can add View to suggest landmark. To do that, right-click on an image in the image zone and select Suggest Landmark. You can also set landmark yourself. To do that, right-click on an image and select Start of Stomach or Small Intestine or Colon. Landmark images will be automatically included in your report as well. You can export all the selected findings as still image or animation. To export as JPEG images, right-click on any thumbnail and select Export Selected as JPG. Choose a destination folder and confirm. To export as AVI animation, choose a mode and select a destination folder. Type in file name, click Save, then click OK. To access Atlas, click on the icon on the top right corner or use the hotkey G. The new Atlas adopts a keyword search mechanism. Every keyword in the sets library is presented in the search zone. Click on the keyword to review images with that keyword. You can click on multiple keywords to display findings with multiple sets keywords. To see the detailed information of each picture, hover your mouse on the picture. To zoom in, single-click on the picture. Click again to return. To start the search over, click Clear All. You can change the image size by clicking Display Size button and cycle through small, medium, and large thumbnail sizes. You're finished with the report. Click on the Preview button on the report zone. Here, you will see a preview of the printed version of the report. You can still make text changes and deselect an image. All the text changes will be saved. Then, you can either send it to the printer, export as PDF, or Word. You can also directly access print and export functions at the top of the report zone.